If you've ever wondered how creators achieve those dreamy, layered looks in their videos, blending is the secret ingredient. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to blend clips together in CapCut on your PC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to merge two videos or images in a way that feels professional, seamless, and visually striking. No complicated editing skills required. Let's jump right in. Start by importing your clips or images into CapCut and dragging them onto the timeline. This is your workspace where all the magic happens. Here's a small but crucial detail. Make sure the clip you want to blend, say an artistic overlay or a dramatic cloud scene, goes on a track above your base clip. Think of the timeline as layers in a sandwich. The top layer, which you want to blend, sits above the foundation, which is your main footage. Placing clips in the right order from the very start makes all the difference in how the final blend will look. Next, click to select the top clip, the one you want to blend. When you do, pay attention to the panel on the right side of the screen. Find the Basic tab and scroll down until you spot Blend. Sometimes editing software settings can feel like hunting for buried treasure, but CapCut keeps things pretty straightforward. If you don't see the blend option right away, just double-check that you've selected the correct track. Now it's time for the fun part, playing with blend modes. Click on Blend to expand your options. You'll see terms like darken, multiply, screen, and overlay. Each one of these changes how the top layer interacts visually with the bottom layer, almost like mixing colored lights together. For example, multiply is great for deepening shadows or adding rich darkness, while screen can brighten things up and give a soft, ethereal glow. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Click through each mode while watching your preview window until you see the effect that best fits your vision. This step can be a bit of trial and error. Think of it like seasoning food. You won't know which flavor you like best until you taste a few. Once you've picked a blend mode, it's time to finesse the transparency. Find the opacity slider and gently move it left or right. Lowering the opacity means your top layer becomes more see-through, letting the base clip peek through and blend more subtly. Sometimes, just a touch more or less transparency can take your edit from pretty good to wow. Don't worry if the changes look dramatic at first. You can always adjust and preview the results until you're satisfied. If you want to take blending a step further, CapCut gives you advanced tools for a really seamless look. Try using the Mask tool, which lets you control exactly where and how the blend happens. For instance, select a mask shape like horizontal and adjust its position, angle, and size right in the preview window. This lets you fade from the base video into the blended area in a controlled way. And here's a pro tip. Drag the feather slider to soften the edges of your mask. This creates a gradual transition that feels natural, almost like gently smudging color with your finger instead of leaving a sharp line. Once everything looks good, take a moment to play your video back. Previewing lets you catch any little tweaks you want to make and ensures your blend feels just right. Finally, when you're happy with your work, head to the export option and save your project. I hope this guide makes blending in CapCut feel a lot less mysterious. If you found this helpful, drop a like, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy creative tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!